information that will help us figure out, and we'll talk about this, what you're trying to figure out is who don't you want. I mean, you know and I know, if you find somebody you really want, they're gone.
Because there's a temptation to just cross-examine for the hell of cross-examining, and that's not what we want to do. When we cross-examine, we need to cross-examine with a purpose.
Many great impeachments at trial don't just happen. It's not that you're sitting there and you hear this gem spill out of the witness's mouth during direct. What has happened is that you have laid the groundwork through your pre-trial litigation strategy to make sure that you have more chances that that gem will happen at trial. And then when that gem happens, you are physically prepared to ram it down their throat.
You give a great speech at a closing argument. I mean, just a great, great speech, a Winston Churchill type speech. And you don't persuade anybody, who cares? It doesn't matter.